Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we'll be solving this Leetcode question using simple mathematics and a sliding window technique. So in this question we have to basically find out the element which appears more than 25% of the times in a sorted array. Okay, so we'll be given a sorted array in which we'll have to find the number which appears at least, if you see over here, that occurs more than 25% of the time. Okay, so it's a really simple problem, I would say. So to explain you what we'll be doing, let's just refer to this particular slide. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna consider, or like if you see, basically 25% is what 25% can be written as 1 by 4, right? Because 25 by 100, let's say, is 1 by 4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a sliding window, okay, in which I'll be starting with some point. For example, I started with this point, okay. I will see the index of my starting point was 0, okay, and let's say in this example I had 9 elements, okay. So the size of my window will be what? I plus 2, so 0 plus 2, okay. So this is the part where I want to check my elements, okay. So to get the results, there is a very simple condition which I want to check. I just want to check if my element at the start index and my element at the end index are equal, okay. Then I can simply say that, okay, the the result is element at index I, okay. This will be a very basic solution for it, okay. Otherwise, like, if there is no such elements possible, we'll simply return -1, okay. Also, one more thing, like when we'll write the loop, we'll have to make sure that we don't run over this point, okay. So what we'll do to ensure that is, we'll make sure that our starting point doesn't go beyond this, right? So these are the only few catches which you'll have to take care of, and other than that, it's going to be a piece of cake to solve this question. So let's move towards the solution of it. And to do that, first what I'm going to do, I will be calculating the size, or let's say window size, as I'll see. Okay, window size will be what? Length of array, and I'm doing floor division because I want to get the absolute value of it. I don't want any decimal value because it's not possible to have any index in decimals, right? Now I'll just simply write a loop in range length of array minus ws minus window size. As I told you, this is to just ensure we are not overrunning the array, okay. If array at my current index is equals to, the element at my current index is equals to element at index plus window size, then I'll simply return element at index. Otherwise, like, if we checked all the possibilities, I would simply return -1 over here, okay. So let's check out the test cases. So if you see over here, we successfully passed the basic test cases. Let's submit it for further evaluation again. And awesome. So we were basically able to clear all the solutions, and I would say we have performed decent, in terms of our rankings, or in terms of optimized solution as well. So yeah, this was the solution, guys, and thanks again for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.